In the peaceful land of living Rumia, a fierce feline warrior named Captain Whiskers ruled the couch with a paw of justice, until one day, the cough returned. It started with a twitch, then a hack echoing through the kingdom. Was it a hairball? A stealthy snack gone wrong? Or, the legendary cough beast, back from the shadows? Captain Whiskers leapt into action, somersaulting off the sofa, sliding under the table, and launching fur missiles in every direction. The humans watched, clueless, as Whiskers fought his invisible foe with the grace of a ninja, and the drama of a soap opera. And then,